Okay. In a world that keeps asking us to do more, prove more, be more, what if the bravest thing you could say was, I'm already enough? This isn't your typical self-help fluff. The WTF is Enough kit is part playbook, part permission slip, and part soul reset. One of my beta testers said, I stopped trying to prove myself and started nurturing the parts of me still waiting to feel safe. Yeah, that part. If you're feeling burned out, disconnected, or stuck in the cycle of always chasing your worth, this is your invitation to pause, to root, to remember who the hell you are. Go at your own pace, no pressure, no proving, just presence. Clink the link in my bio or head to beginnersgrove.com to begin. I'll meet you there.